Good morning to all. You will learn about 14th lesson, the world between wars, last part. In this topic, we will learn about famous Enabling Act. How did Germany defeat and end the World War? What was importance of famous Enabling Act? Enabling Act, which was related to Germany, Hitler. When it was implemented? On 3rd March 1933, the famous Enabling Act was passed. According to this act established dictatorship in Germany. Hitler came to power and immediately took steps to establish an undemocratic and autocratic rule. He dismantled all the democratic institutions like parliament. Parliament means in Germany parliament called as Weimar Republic or Weimar Constitution. Okay, they followed Weimar Constitution. At the time, people faced that trouble. People lost all the civil rights like freedom of speech, press, and all the civic rights, fundamental rights. All political parties and trade unions were banned except for Nazi party and its allies related to Nazi party and the followers of Hitler. Remaining all political parties were and trade unions were banned. Do you understood? There is no freedom at all. Germany state established complete control over the country and economy, media, army and judiciary. These are all controlled by Hitler. Understand? Special surveillance means special observation, and security forces were appointed to control the law and order in the society or in the country. Special troops including SA, Green Army, storm troops, Gestapo means it is secret state police in Germany. The SS means protection squads, criminal police and security services there. They are called SD. All the opponent persons were arrested without legal procedure. They sent Gestapo torture chambers and concentration camps like Auschwitz. Understand? Hitler gave the responsibility of economic recovery to the economist Hazelmer Sachet, who aimed at the full production and full employment in Germany. he made some reforms. The reforms were implemented in Germany to stable the economy or the country during the Great Depression time. Understand? How did Germany defeat and end the World War II? Germany was defeated by Russia in the famous Battle of Stalingrad in early 1943. Understand? Soviet forces, Soviet means here USSR. Soviet forces were welcomed all the Eastern Europe as liberators. Means they got freedom. Soviet forces captured Berlin, is the capital of Germany, and Hitler close associates committed suicide. Hitler suicide in the bunker, warhead. Eventually, Germany was divided into two parts. Eastern part named as German Democratic Republic, GDR, called as GDR. Western part named as FRG, Federal Republic of Germany. Eastern part, German Democratic Republic, was influenced by USSR. Western part, Federal Republic of Germany, influenced by USA, America. Okay. And finally, USA attacked on Japan. Why USA attacked on Japan? USA dropped atom bombs in the east of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Why that USA dropped atom bombs on that? Because Japan unexpectedly. Why USA attacked Japan? What happened? Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, important for USA it is, and lastly joined country USA. USA attacked on Japan. USA dropped atom bombs, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Hiroshima in August 6 in 1945. Nagasaki August 9 in 1945. Huge loss, so many people died, and finally Japan surrendered to USA. Understand? And constitutional monarchy was started in Japan. Do you know what is the name of parliament in Japan? Diet. What is the name of parliament in USA? Congress. What is the name of parliament in USSR, means Russia? Duma. What is the name of parliament in Germany? Richtag. Okay. In India, name is parliament name is parliament. Which country is known as mother of parliament? Great Britain, means now England. They only made parliament initially. Understand it is? Right. Many of the Nazi generals and leaders were captured and put to trial. Trial means here they sent to the courts at Nuremberg. Already Nuremberg is a concentration camp conducted by Adolf Hitler only. All the Nazis leaders and followers, they sent to the Nuremberg area. 11 members of Nazis were death sentenced. Many others were imprisoned. 11 members of Nazis were death sentenced, means hanging to death. Many others were imprisoned for life, means they are jailed. They were jailed. But it was very little punishment for them, because Germany only the main responsible person or responsible country, because Germany was the main responsible country for the Second World War. Who was the main responsible person in the Second World War? Yes, Adolf Hitler only. Hitler attacked Poland country in the year 1939. This was the beginning. September 1st, 1939. This was the beginning of the World War II. It was ended in 1945. Okay. After the end of Second World War, ending of large colonial empires like Britain, France, Japan, Italy, Germany. In 1950, countries like India, China, Indonesia, Vietnam, Egypt and Nigeria also, they got independence. In this picture, you can observe Benito Mussolini belonged to Italy and Adolf Hitler belonged to Germany. After the end of World War, new organization in the world, it is called as UNO. UNO was established in the year 1945, October 24. We are celebrating October 24 as a UNO day. You can see this picture. In that, three important leaders were sitting in one place for the formation of UNO. You can see in order from left to right. Who are that? Winston Churchill from the left, and in the middle Roosevelt, and in that Stalin. Okay, so these three persons are sitting together in Yalta conference. It is only the main conference for establishment of UNO. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.